masaya, mabigat at makulay ang ating hapon because Naitay Kapuso, please welcome our guest. He is one of the hottest and one of the biggest stars in Philippine entertainment. Please welcome Ruru Madrid. I'm good. Maraming salamat sa pagdalaw.
Yes, of course. Maraming salamat po.
This is a star, please. Nakakatuwa naman.
Grabe.
Maraming salamat.
Grabe, Tito Boy. Kanina napanood ko yung teaser ng Fast Talk. Naiyak ako.
Oh, talaga?
Yeah,
Bakit?
naiyak ako. Parang ang intro was from teen star to one of the biggest actor in this generation. Sabi ko, dati pangarap ko lang to eh. Tapos ngayon parang nabigyan na ng katuparan lahat.
And you are grateful.
Sobra.
Sarap, no?
Sobra.
And you have a movie which is called...
Video City, Be Kind, Please Rewind.
Nakakatuwa yun. Alam ko yun. Kasi pag noon mag-rent ka ng VHS, meron doon nakapirma yan eh. Parang Be Kind, Please Rewind. Para
hindi na daw hassle.
At saka hindi, para yung susunod na magre-renta ay hindi na problema yung pag-rewind.
Mahirapan, yeah.
Pero now that if you take it separately naman from the context of the VHS, totoo nga naman, di ba? Parang Be Kind, Please Rewind. It's nice to remember things.
That's true.
And you're working with Yasi here.
Yes, Tito Boy.
Naging bisita natin si Yasi nung isang linggo. Kumusta?
Well, I didn't expect na ganun pa rin po yung magiging samahan namin ni Yasi. I mean, I worked with her 10 years ago dito rin po sa GMA na nagkaroon kami ng serye together which is Dormitorio, Party Pilipinas, Sunday All-Stars. And then, syempre, after how many years, tagal namin di nakita ko yung growth niya as an actress, as a performer. Naging very successful celebrity siya dito sa atin. So, hindi yun yung in-expect ko na magiging dynamics pa rin namin. Like, she's still the Yasi na nakilala ko noon. Very generous, napakabait. Parang sabi ko nga, parang siya yung nagbibigay ng siya yung nagbibigay ng liwanag lagi sa set kasi lagi siyang masayahin. So parang lahat di napapagod.
Parang hindi lumipas in 10 years. But we'll be
true.
talking more about Yasi. Paano kayo nakakabalik? Because Video City, Naitay Kapuso, is about going back to the past. Diba?
Yeah.
Paano kayo nakakabalik doon sa 1995?
Actually, Tito Boy, ako lang dito yung nakakabalik sa past.
Ikaw lang?
Yes, galing ako sa year 2023 and then Yasi's from 1995. So, meron isang rewinder which is this one.
This is actually the rewinder na ginagamit nyo sa pelikula. Okay.
Yes.
Ang ginagawa mo dito ay...
Pinipindot ko siya and then pagka
May pinindot
ko,
ka, bumabalik.
Bumabalik ako.